kaymade-tech here again. All right. So the last video we had, we did a secure shell connection to the Metasploitable VM from our Windows server using PuTTY, P-U-T-T-Y. If you have not seen that video, please go to the last video. You should see. Okay. So today we're going to be looking at the same thing. We're gonna be, but this time, okay, the last video was a Windows to a Linux secure shell connection. This today, now rather, this video, we're gonna be looking at a Linux VM machine to a Linux VM machine by connect secure secure shell. Thank you. All right. So the first thing we need to do is to be sure that both our Linux virtual machine that we're going to use is powered up. So we have our Kali and we have our Metasploitable. They are both powered up. So I will bring that up. Then the next thing we need to do, if you remember in our last video, we confirmed that they were both on the same network because we won't be able to connect if they are not on the same network, because it's going to take us some processes through. So it's going to, and especially if firewalls are blocking external connection, and one of those things won't be able to connect. So let's do it this way. Let's first confirm that we are both on the same network. Ifconfig. So this tells us 192.168.56.153. So dot 56 is key. Let me pull up Metasploitable just to confirm our IP address. Ifconfig 192.168.56.122. So that's already confirming our IP address that they are both on the same network. Now that we have that out of the way, what do we do? Okay, I always like to use my root, right? So let's clear out all this. So we're going to do SSH. All right, so I already have it there. Username msfadmin at IP address. So it's now asking for the password. Here is another thing. If you remember during my last class, I talked about this being a secured connection because the packets the packets that are captured are encrypted. So let me quickly launch the Wireshark. Once we connect, all right, msfadmin, right, ifconfig, just to confirm that we are in it, the shell of Metasploitable. As you can see, the IP address there, 192.168.56.120. And if we go here and we type in under apply a display filter, SSH, and we click go here, arrow. All right, so this is it. This is what we get. The protocol is SSH, client server encrypted packet. As you can see, can't make anything of all this. It's encrypted. But when we go into FTP protocol, that's port 21, you're going to see the difference in Wireshark of plain text and encrypted connections. Let's close. So as you can see, everything here is encrypted packets, encrypted, meaning that we cannot know what, I mean, if we are sniffing on this connection, we can't know what is happening. Can't know what is being exchanged or what is being transmitted. All right. And like in my last video, I try to explain to you what are the things we can do when we are already securely remoted into a shell like this. So what are the things we can do? I'll just give you a recap. we can update the system as a what's the name system administrator. I could run the sudo app update and sudo app upgrade. All right. I could also monitor the system's performance by running up htop free minus the m flag. We could also check the disk by running df minus h flag. So let's try that. So what does it give us? It gives us size, what is being used, the file size, used available percentage use. So as you can see, we have under the var run, we have 1% use. We have a lot of availability. Under udev, we have 1% used. Under var lock, we have 0 used. Under dev shm, we have 0 used also. Under dev dash backslash, or that's forward slash, sorry, forward slash SDA1. That's where we have used the most. That's 12%. All right. So that's just one of the things you could do with this. Like I said in the other video, you could also copy files, remove files, and delete files. We can check statuses. So let's check a status here. System CL and status Apache 2. So Apache 2 is what is used to run the. Oh, it's not giving me that. Okay. Normally Apache 2 is used for to know the status of the website. All right. So there's so much we can do. I talked about ls, which is to list. So this lists the files and etc. We could change directory cd and we'll do ls. So it tells us various things. Copy files. So let me see. Um, cd red hmm, hmm, ls. So there's nothing in there. Awesome. So what's ls? Ls. So I'm going to copy. I remember red team. Okay, let me do it. ls red team 3. So you can see we have 2 files there, whereas ls red team 1, there's no file there. So what am I going to do here? I can copy a file from red team to red team 3 to red team 1. So let's do that. So I'm going to do cd the path red 3, and the file is voice yz.txt, and red team 1, that's the path to red team, and copy. Just click on enter. So, oh, permissions, that's not a problem. Okay. Sudo admin. All right. So it has moved because we didn't get an error. Can we check it? So we'll just do ls red team 1. Can now see that we have boys.txt. So these are so many things we can do while we are securely remoted into the computer. And the beautiful thing is, all that we do does not show here. As you can see, nothing is showing here. All right. And in order for us to exit, all we just need to type in exit. And we are back into our Kali Linux, as you can see it over there. All right. If you did enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And also give a feedback in our comment section and we'll respond to it. And if you have an idea of a video you would like us to show with regarding security plus, please um, send it to us and we'll be more than glad to come up with a video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. And please look out for our next video.